What's up, everybody? How's everybody doing? ThaFooGrows here. Today is part 3 of this series. First, want to go over my sponsor for the series, MarsHydro, sponsoring me with their Tsl-2000 light. Some features it has. Let me go over the features. This is a little showcase of it. The MarsHydro Tsl-2000 is well-known LED grow light designed for indoor growers who strong performance without spending a fortune. It uses about 300 watts of power and covers a 3x3 foot space perfectly for flowering up to a 4x4. It gives a full spectrum of light, including warm white, cool white, red, and IR lights. Basically everything your plant needs from seed to harvest. One of the best things about this light is how bright it is. Plants grow fast and bushy, and how strong it under it, just like my plants. As you see, the fixture is fanless, which means it runs quietly and stays cool under the thick aluminum heat sink. There's a dimmer knob over here as shown. There's a dimmer knob on the side so you can adjust the light intensity, which is super useful for seedlings or different growth stages. It's easy to hang up and has a daisy chain right here, as you see. Compatible if you're running multiple lights, and it's very efficient compared to older grow lights. A lot of growers have a great results with it, some even pulling 13 ounces from a single plant. Overall, it's a powerful, easy to use light that delivers great results for small to mid-sized grow spaces. Perfect for 2x4, just like mine that I'm growing. It's MarsHydro Tsl-2000. Check the link in the description. I'll put all the information down there. So now let's go over the grows. So first, right here we have Frostbanger, and this one we topped about 6 times or 8 times, I'm not sure. I would leave a picture right here, and that's how many times we topped it. And if you guys want me to go over how I topped it and trained this plant to get this many tops, this is an autoflower, by the way. So if you guys want me to do a video on how to top your or train your cannabis plants, let me know. This I'll probably pull over, I'm not sure, but this is gonna be one big plant for sure. Next, this is American Gangster. This one I trained. I didn't top it at all, so I just trained it. This one's pretty bushy, as you can see. This is the top cola. They're starting to flower, so they're gonna start stacking up pretty soon. This one is about the same height, bushy all around, so many tops. I also use bud clips to make sure I get as much bud sites I can. I recommend bud clips. I got a pack for 50 for like $7 on Amazon. They look just like this. Let me take one out. Look just like this. Let me put one on for an example. So like this one, it fell off this one right now. I literally just go put it right as shown right here. So now these 2 bud sites are going to grow up, and this will grow up too. So now there's 3 more bud sites right there. So I really recommend some bud clips. Next is ice permafrost. These are feminized seeds, and I planted them few weeks after these, so these for sure have more, and these are autoflowers. And this one's growing pretty good. You see, it has a couple. It's on 1, 2, 3, 4th node right now. This one is ice cream cake. I added bud clips already to this one. 1, 2, added 4, so there should be 4. As you see. And this one's going fantastic. It's another feminized seed. Ice cream cake by Zamnesia. This one also is ice cream cake by Zamnesia. It was going a little bit slower, but now it's starting to boost back up. These are how my plants are looking. This is part 3 of the grow. This is part 3. These are my plants look. If you have any questions, leave any in the comments. Stay tuned for my up and coming videos. I just recently got a sponsorship with a seed company, and they are sending me seeds out to give away to you guys. So if you guys want any seeds, stay tuned. I'll be giving away seeds in each grow series video, so stay tuned for that. And this is the TSL MarsHydro 2000 light I'm using in a 2x4 tent, and I'm using it around 75%. Shout out to MarsHydro one more time for sponsoring this grow series. And then they sponsored me with some lights I got coming, not lights, some fans. So I got some MarsHydro oscillating fans that should be coming in. They sent me 2, so there should be a review coming up. Stay tuned for that also. But if you guys like my grow, have any comments, suggestions, let me know. Everyone have a good day. Bye. ThaFooGrows out.